Oh, what's up, madlang people? Kasama ko ngayon si Maria Villigera and DJ McCoy in the back. We're going to Talaba, Alubijid.
See you guys.
We're at Romel T. Talaba. We're going there and we're gonna make a cinematic Sadsad vlog. Are you ready?
Yo!
Bring down the cinematic bars. Come on. Let's go. Let me begin by saying that dance has the ability to organize and affect time. We were taught that other dances are bad, nasty, cheap, wrong. But here's the thing. It has nothing to do with the dance. It has nothing to do with the parts of the body. It's not the body. It's the way in which the body is being dissected, looked at, gazed at. Now, how could I create an environment with people who would come out of their comfortability? And so it's not about moving and committing to the action. It's not all about that. It is separating yourself from the gaze of others. Commit to your movement. There's nothing to lose from movement. There's only that what you're creating in that present moment. You can be as loud and as big as you want. You can be as minute and committed as you like. It's about taking that risk, about putting yourself in that bit of uncomfortable. The next level in this, the Jedi level, is to not only commit to your action, but to be able to be generous enough that you can have others to dance with you. There you go, madlang people! Ang atong cinematic Sadsad vlog. Purang ka na.
Yes, and wow, for the first time, may diri sa Talaba, Alubijid. Guys, thank you so much.
Ay!
Mga jampak, mga kamigs.
Mga kamags.
Kamigs.
Thank you, Talaba,
Thank you so much.
Alubijid.
Yan, pala ko subscribe kung wala pa man naka-subscribe.
Sadsad po more.
Yeah!